Hey everybody, this is Andrew from T is for Tech, and today I am taking a quick look at this dbrand skin for the OnePlus 7 Pro. Now, I got the OnePlus 7 Pro about a month ago. I ordered the dbrand skins right away just because I typically like to put a skin on the back of my glass phones. So in the past with my Samsung phones, Galaxy Notes, etc., even iPhone XS Max, it has a glass back and it always gets fingerprints if you take it out of the case and all that. So I always usually kind of put a dbrand skin on there. Now, the only thing is, with the OnePlus 7 Pro and the Nebula Blue, it is a matte finish, right? So it doesn't really grab fingerprints as much as more of a smooth glass, like shiny smooth glass would. So I was a little bit debating on whether or not I should put the skin on the back because I just really like the way that the phone looks, right? So long story short though, since I bought the skins, I'm going to use at least use one of them to start here, and then just put it on the phone, keep it on for however long, and then kind of see how it goes. But since I got the blue, I wasn't sure what color skin to get, and I've tried a bunch of different ones, and I really like the dragon skin texture from dbrand. So I don't know if you've seen that before, but it, I guess, would look like something like a dragon skin. If if there was a dragon and he had skin and you saw it, it probably would look something like this, right? So, and I shouldn't maybe not have gotten black because the black and the blue maybe doesn't go as good, but I get this nice burgundy red color that I think that overall, not that you're going to see the back, but it complements the blue edges of the phone, right? So OnePlus 7 Pro, red, I figured I'd try this. So what I'm going to do here is just stop the video and actually put this on, because in the past I have to kind of concentrate to put this on and not screw it up. So I'm not going to show you the process of doing this. OnePlus, I can link to it in the description below, but OnePlus has really good YouTube videos. I think they're on YouTube, but they have good videos on how to install these. So I'm going to do that. I'm going to install it, and then I'll start the video, come back, and show you what this looks like on, right? So right now it's off, and this was not that difficult to put on and to install. One of the things I would attribute that to is the fact of the camera placement here, and the LED and the OnePlus logo. Because those are on the back of the phone, it made it really easy to line up, because this fits really tight around the camera cutout, and as long as you can line up the other two fairly well, then the whole thing kind of goes together pretty nice, and then you can get the edges on the side and the bottom very flush with the glass and the metal. So it's pretty easy to do as long as you just take your time, and I think this looks really nice. So it's a nice red textured finish on the back. Again, this is dragon skin from dbrand, and it looks pretty good with the blue, I think. I don't know if this is even focusing right, but on the Nebula Blue, the top is darker than the bottom. The bottom's a little bit more of a lighter blue. I think the red looks awesome. So, if that one gets messed up, eventually I might put the black one on. I typically order two whenever I get a dbrand skin in case one gets messed up, and to get me over the free shipping threshold so that I don't have to pay for shipping, might as well have an extra one. So let me know what you think in the comments. Does anybody out there use dbrand skins? I'm a super big fan, especially on these glass-backed phones. I think it adds a little bit more grip if you're not using the case, and it protects the glass back from fingerprints and scratches and all that. So definitely worth taking a look at if you've never seen a dbrand skin before, or if you're just interested in something for your OnePlus 1 or OnePlus 7 Pro. This is Andrew from T is for Tech. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you next time.